Okay, traders, BNB, the ultimate hedge against Ethereum, is kind of working out. It's kind of, well, it's turning out to be true, guys, because we made this low which was significantly higher than these lows coming in at these points right here. So BNB against Ethereum getting strong, what does that mean, guys? That means that BNB is sucking balls out of Ethereum, guys. The dominance from Ethereum is getting into BNB because Binance Smart Chain is actually smarter than Ethereum, it seems like, because there is probably, well, the transaction costs are simply nothing on BSC swaps or maybe liquidity mining as well. So a lot of DeFi happening on BNB is way more efficient than Ethereum blockchain, because Ethereum, you gotta be kidding me, guys. You pay $20, $50 for a single transaction. Now that's insane, guys. That's insane. So why the fuck should I not long the banks instead of cryptocurrencies? Because 20% fees, that they just do not make any sense, guys. Just a moment where I take a sip of this green tea right here, guys. Do you drink some healthy stuff, or are you just simply going for some alcohol and trading shit coins? Let me know down in the comments. Anyway, I think this right here, this chart right here, is one of the interesting ones, as we are trending above the not the 10-hour time frame, the 12-hour time frame. We're trending above the 21 simple on 12-hour time frame, constantly bullishly engulfing. Right now we're engulfing bullish above this consolidation as well, guys. This means that probably more of Ethereum's dominance is going to be shifting towards BNB, guys. Now that is not confirmed until you are closing any 12-hour above this point right here, guys. If you want to be closing any 12-hour candle above 0.172, to be honest with you, on a 12-hour closing basis on BNB Ethereum, then probably BNB is going to have a significant move to the upside, way more significant than what Ethereum will be able to do, guys. Now that is something which I'm looking for as well, because this one right here was a simple retest of, let me just zoom it out for you guys. Yeah, so if you take the Fibonacci sequence coming in at this top, which took place around, well, the prices were hovering around these levels throughout, like almost throughout 2019 levels. So this top right here and this bottom right here, you simply tested the 1.272 after breaking above the all-time highs, guys, and you're maintaining the price action above the all-time high on this one right here. So I think if you take this level down on a 3-day closure basis, guys, you'll be aiming for 2.618, guys. This is insane. This is fucking insane, guys. 100% move against Ethereum once again if you close above this one. I think Ethereum will get wrecked in terms of its dominance, as market shifts towards more of understanding the dynamics behind the DeFi space altogether, as DeFi right now, to be honest with you, is not for retail traders, guys. I mean, would you want to be paying $100, $50 worth of fees for swapping your shitcoins? I mean, would you want to be paying $100 for a simple transaction, guys? Would you want to be fucking paying 0.1 Ethereum for your gas fees? No. Fuck no, guys. Fuck no. Like, no. All right, that's a fucking $200 amount you cannot pay for. I mean, that's just absurd. That's just absurd, right? However, if you're talking about 100 Ethereum, 200 Ethereum worth of swaps, 100 Ethereum worth of liquidity providing, then you're completely fine, because most of your returns are going to overtake those fees in a mere few hours, guys. So right now the situation seems more in the favor of BNB, as BSC is certainly catering more towards the retail crowd right now, and as you can see, a lot of new money is entering into the space. The retail crowd is going to be significant, guys. This is a bull run. Most of the things happening are supposed to be taken very seriously. Most of the bullish things happening are supposed to be taken seriously, right? None of the bearish thing is going to probably work, guys. I mean, yeah, Ethereum transaction fees is certainly bearish, certainly fundamentally bearish until Ethereum 2 comes out. Now wait for Ethereum 2 to come out, guys. I mean, if Ethereum 2 rolls out, I think that's going to be the time when BNB will start to kind of consolidate again, right? I mean, that's when Ethereum could potentially start taking its dominance back again in the market, I guess. Let's check out how the weekly for BNB Ethereum has closed. This is not quite telling you anything, but this is pretty low volume, guys. Look at this massive fuck off green candle right here, guys. These candles have been just immense. These candles have been crazy, guys. 500% against, guys, 5x your Ethereum value right here, coming from the bottom on BNB around this point and this point. Just insane piece of price action. I mean, looking at it in hindsight, nobody could have guessed the bottom, guys. This is why you do not call the bottom and top. You'll be always freaking wrecked, guys. Had you been calling this bottom because bullish divergence here and here, you would have been gone wrecked. You would have been gotten wrecked, completely wiped out of the fucking market with zero equity in your hands. But you see this price action right here. I mean, I do not think even fucking Warren Buffett can call this bottom right here. But Warren Buffett is not really a trader, but even the best of the traders cannot call that bottom right here, because this was just like a fundamental turn of events, and everybody started realizing that BSC good, Ethereum not good. So that entire liquidity flows into BNB, guys, and it's undergoing right now. It's currently in process right now. So if you're maintaining this diagonal trending support right here, you have a lot of chances to break above this area right here, which is at 0.17. If you break this, if you close some higher time frame closures above this candle right here, then you're headed for 2.618, guys. This is going to be insane. Last time BNB consolidated like this for a week, it had a massive 200% move to the upside, guys. There was just no downside, no sell pressure, man. I mean, this is what you want to look at for maximum financial opportunity, lowest risk and highest rewards, guys. These are the patterns you want to play. Extremely fine piece of squeeze right here. This is like a beautiful slice of pizza, like completely symmetric, breaking out with utmost momentum and simply going to the upside while Ethereum's dominance goes down, guys. This was the picture perfect moment for fucking BNB, and it happened. Could it happen again? Why the fuck not? If you take down this level, it could happen again. And BNB would simply go on for another 100% move to the upside against Ethereum, guys. Let's simply jump on to BNB against USDT, and let's see what this bastard right here is doing, guys. We broke above this grind right here, and as I have this one charted out before, I think we are pretty close to the top. It's going to zero after that. You know what's going to happen, guys? This is what is going to happen. I'll be very brutally honest with you guys. We are going here, we're going to go sideways, and then we go to zero right here. This is what is going to happen with BNB against US dollar, right? All right, let's just simply fuck these away from our screen right here, and I think that we could be consolidating here for a little while. We could be consolidating about the 4R21 simple as well, but this one is quite down as the train has left with utmost momentum, guys. This was like, bye, I'm gonna fuck off to the moon, bye bye. You did not jump on the train, fuck off. You missed out. You simply missed out, right? So this looks to me like good upthrust momentum right here, but wait for this level, guys. If you missed out on this one right here, just wait for this level to be taken down, as this is way more significant than this point right here, and you certainly had divergence between this point and this point, so you're looking at some good price action to the upside right now, guys. Watch for this level to hold as well, the 243 zone as well. If you break below the 243 level, then you're certainly going to be consolidating in this chop for a while, and then you could be retesting the 21 simple again back at 220, the shit and piss region right here. 10% downside, but you hold this, you good. You do not hold this, you're not good. You gonna go sideways for a very long time, guys. So well, I think we do have the momentum. Let's just simply jump on to some relative strength index for you guys right here. I think, yeah, we're breaking off this pretty shitty grind, to be honest with you. What the hell is this? Pretty shitty grind, but most of the BNB grinds on RSI have been crazy, guys. Last grind was probably 100% move, guys. Yeah, the last grind breakout was 100% move, and we are kind of breaking above this grind, guys. This could be your potential 100% move, like yet another 100%. Talk about flipping bullish into bearish in a second. Talk about Mr. Cryptogator sitting right here telling you guys what to do. Guys, this is not a financial advice. If you get fucked off from the market, I'm not going to be responsible. I'm not going to pay you shit. Guys, if you think I am responsible for that, pay me out of your profits. Fill my pockets as well. Won't that be a little more justified? But yeah, for the time being, you're maintaining this structure right here. You'll be challenging the 270 levels. If you break above 270, you're going to be headed towards 342. Ultimate target's going to be $500 per BNB, which is going to be in synchronization with the Ethereum BNB price action. Ethereum BNB breaks above that area. BNB, I don't think, at least $400 BNB, guys, at least 400, because this high right here is not, it does not look like a long-term high. You're going to be at least testing this all-time high at 350. Probably you'll take it down, guys. If you do take it down, then there is not much stopping under 440, 500, guys. What are stopping this goddamn cryptocurrency? They'll simply go to the upside, guys. Limited fucking supply, and BNB is in constant burning state. Binance Chain, BNB always gets burned, and they burn around millions of BNBs together, guys. It has been fucking happening ever since the inception of BNB. The immense crazy amount of BNB is burning, and as far as their adoption keeps on increasing, this one is going to skyrocket, guys. This one is going to skyrocket. Then you can talk about some Moon Boy, the ultimate extremist targets of $10,000 per BNB. That's probably going to happen in the next cycle. Right now, I do not think. I think the cycle top for BNB is somewhere going to be around $1,000 if that happens. If that, extremely far-fetched, guys. I should not really be concerned about the moon boy kind of price action moves, but BNB on on arithmetic scale right here, guys. This is one of the most fucking bullish charts ever. This chart right here is not comprehensible to most of the people trading BNB here at $10 chops right here, guys. This fucked off to the moon, guys. This one fucked off to the moon. If you did not, guys, I'm gonna ask you one question very honestly. If you did not believe in BNB right here, what the fuck are you doing sitting at BNB right here, guys? Just question this one to yourself. Just ask yourself this. Let me know what you think about this, because same goes for Cardano as well. Cardano ADA. Cardano was at 2 cents back at the COVID dump. Where did it go right now? It went to $1.5, guys. You did not believe in Cardano at 2 cents. What the hell are you doing believing Cardano at fucking $105, guys? This is a simple psychology. You do not have to chase these assets. Try chasing some girls, guys. I mean, that's going to work out in a better way, I think. Do not chase these assets. They're going to make you financially wrecked. At least those girls are just going to make you emotionally wrecked. I guess that's a bit... That's going to be way better than getting financially wrecked, guys. Trust me on that one. Anyway, for the time being, the daily simply just beautifully jumping from the 21 simple. I wanted to test this area right here at 270, guys. Most of the things pointing at 270. You take down 270, there is not much stopping for the all-time high test at 340, and then you talk about $500, potentially $1,000 BNB, guys. This is not a blow-off situation right here. This is probably fucking flagging out on logarithmic scale, guys. This is a flag, guys. This is a fucking flag. Oh, BNB bullish, BNB very bullish, BNB moon, BNB will go to moon. BNB against BTC as well, probably doing amazing in the market. BNB BTC on the daily schedule. Look at this fucking beautiful grind right here, not breaking above it, not closing any fucking candle below the 45,000 levels. 450,000 Satoshi levels, and wanting to retest the prior all-time high at 600,000 Satoshis. If you take the 600,000 Satoshis on daily schedule, then yes, yet another moon boy target for BNB against BTC as well. I think you can certainly go out, guys. Do you want to do this? Do you want to do this right now? Alright, let's do this together real quick. Alright, let's see what the historic price action has been about. We will take this entire bear market retrace right here for the the first BNB bear market happening from 7,000 Satoshis to 1,000 Satoshi. You tested the 2.618, and then you simply headed sideways for a while, ultimately testing the highs at 7.618, guys. Now history will not just simply carbon copy repeat itself again, but I think this is our closest guess as to what harmonic patterns could repeat. Now, guys, let's try to find this bear rally as well, as you did top out at 2.618. Now you see the pattern right here. We are kind of interested. We are really interested in the 2.618 areas for taking profit on BNB against BTC, guys. So let's see what this one is telling us. It's at 0.01 BTC. Interesting, very interesting. Where is that gonna lead BNB USD at? That's gonna lead BNB USD at flat out 500 USD if BTC is at 50k. For example, if BTC goes to 100k, BNB is going to 1000. Yay! Yeah, fuck yeah, guys. That's not just happening. That's not gonna happen in one single day. You gotta take things step by step. Be fucking level-headed, because I'm not right now looking at BNB because this is fucking bullish, guys. Anyway, you hold this level right here. You can be testing these levels at 1.272, I guess. No, you did not retest. You did test the 1.272, but you did reject it as well in the first go. As expected, guys, not much. You came down to the one spot retracement again. You want to go sideways here. It looks like you want to get accumulated for a little more time on the BTC pair, guys. So not much hurry, not much FOMO as well. I think something like this could happen for a while. Then you can eventually talk about 618, and then comes the major fantastic trade right here, which is going to be at 1.618 to 2.618. Another 60% move, I guess. Yep, 60% move for the current time being. If you actually take off from here, and if you maintain this low right here, guys, this is one of the setups which could potentially work out. Do not take this trade just because I'm telling you you're responsible for your losses if you go out for one. But if BNB wants to really consolidate in these levels, and BNB does not want to lose this level right here at 400,000 Satoshi, then you can simply target an upside move against BTC pair at 2.618, coming in at 0.01 BTC per BNB. That's going to be insane, giving you a risk to reward ratio of 4.72. This is also one of the insane trades, but you got to be fucking fine if it comes down here. 20%, guys. So risk 20%, okay? And I think this is a very risky trade right here, because it's guys, it's simply gone up, vertically up. I mean, it's going to be a fucking reckless trade if you just simply long BNB over here, guys. Again, brings me to another question. If you're not believing in BNB right here, what the fuck are you doing believing in BNB right here, guys? But we are not cloud chasers, we are momentum chasers. So the momentum right now is certainly bullish. The 3-day time frame, well, way up there, guys. But as you can see, we do not formulate a macro top until some macro bearish divergence every single time, guys. You want macro bearish divergence. Are we there yet? Nope. What does that mean? That means the BNB is going to probably consolidate. There's no rush for BNB BTC trade. There is, however, certainly going to be a rush for BNB Ethereum and BNB USD trade, guys. So watch for BNB USD and BNB Ethereum for a potential playout on BNB BTC as well. Right, I think that's been pretty much. This was a fun video, I guess, guys. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think about BNB? Have you been holding BNB since these levels? If you are holding, guys, massive fucking salute to you, man. I mean, what kind of balls do you have, guys? I mean, balls of steels, man. You gotta if you're holding BNB from these levels, you just like, you fucking deserve it, guys. You fucking deserve it. I think well, I think that's been it about this video. Pretty a lot of ramble in this one as well, and BNB looking good for the time being until you're holding this level right here at 450,000 satoshis. You lose that, BNB not good. All right, okay, guys, that's been it for this video. I hope to catch you guys on the next one pretty soon. Bye for now.